show you guys finally my how I get a clean face in the night, or this is kind of like my nighttime routine. It's currently 11 o'clock and I think everybody's asleep right now. I've got work tomorrow and I'm going to be filming this and uploading it tomorrow. I hope you guys enjoy it. Hopefully I'll be uploading more skincare videos. If you are interested, then just let me know and I'll upload more. I don't know what the quality is going to be like. I hope it's not going to be too bad. I am filming this in the bathroom with yellow lighting, so and my glasses on, so majority of my makeup has come off today because I have had a cold, so all the makeup around here has come off. But I'm going to show you guys how I take off my makeup, and the method I use is double cleansing because it is so important. So we're going to get straight into the video, and I'm going to show you guys all the products that I use. So the first thing I use is this. I'm going to attempt to try and record this with my really sick voice. Yeah, this is long overdue, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So firstly, what I'm going to be doing is taking the simple oil cleanser. I've just popped it in this bottle like I told you guys before. This was the Face Shop oil makeup remover, but I really loved the bottle. It's so convenient and doesn't make a mess. So I just take a pump of this and then I rub it all over my skin just to melt the makeup, making sure I get all the mascara off. Especially this is the hardest part, to be fair, but it does come off quite easily. I love double cleansing because it just melts away all the makeup and you can tell that it's just taking all of the gunk off your face and giving you a brand new face. Sometimes I like to massage my face as well because obviously my face feels quite slippery, so it's the best time to do it. You don't never ever want to massage your face when it's dry, and I don't like adding excess oils afterwards, so this is why I do it when I'm washing my face. And then I've magically washed my face and I look crazy. Then I'm taking my simple facial wash. As you can tell, I really do like simple products. They're easy, they're convenient, they're affordable, and they're very gentle on the skin, and I've never had any irritation using this. A lot of my family use simple products too, and then I'm just going to wash that off. Now I'm getting into the boring part, flossing and brushing my teeth. You guys probably don't know this about me, but I don't mind brushing my teeth, but I really hate brushing my teeth for 2 minutes. It drives me insane to the point where I have to actually time myself, otherwise I find myself brushing my teeth for a minute. And then I use this tongue scraper just to get off any germs off my tongue. It's really good, especially when you're not feeling well. And then I'm back in my room and I'm just going to be taking these cotton pads. These cotton pads are from Primark. I used to love them a lot because they're so affordable and they were really good, but recently I just find all of the cotton pads are stuck together. It's hard to peel them off and I end up getting bits on my face. So maybe I will try a different brand, but for now I'm gonna have to stick to Primark because they are so affordable. And I just put some toner on, and this toner is the Boots brand toner. I just use this toner to balance out my skin and just kind of calm it down before I go in with any other products. Make sure you get the neck area, and behind the neck tends to get dirty quite a lot. And then I'm going in with the Naturally Radiant Glycolic Tonic from Superdrug. I really like this a lot. Some people can't take it, especially if you've got sensitive skin. It might seem a little bit harsh, but this is so good at getting rid of dead skin cells, and especially since I've had a runny nose, I've got a lot of dry skin on my nose, so I'm going to make sure I scrub that area quite well. And don't forget your ears, guys. Then I'm going in with my DIY toner, rose toner and glycerin toner, and this is just, I've been using it for years and absolutely love it. It just gives some moisture and elasticity to my skin, making it feel plump, and I just love the sprayer on this bottle too. Then I'm going to be going in with this Misha product. I've been trying a couple of new Misha products. This is the Aqua Repair toner, and I just get a couple of drops in the palm of my hand and then I just pat this into my skin. I do kind of like patting and slapping my face. I'm not technically slapping my face, but it's just to waken up the skin, get the blood moving. And then I go in with the ordinary niacinamide and zinc. Everybody loves this, everybody knows about this. This is really good at moisturizing and is really good for cell turnover and getting rid of dead skin cells and just giving you brand new skin. So I apply a couple of drops all over my face and then I gently rub it in. I actually find this quite hydrating too, and my skin already looks glowy. Then I'm going to be going in with the other product from Misha. This is the Super Aqua Iced Tear Emulsion, hydrating and refreshing, and I've just been testing this out too, and this is actually my favorite of the two. it just gives my skin so much moisture. It's like a light cream, and I just love the way it makes my skin feel. And by the way, these products do have a scent to them, and I actually quite like the scent. If you're not a big fan of scents, maybe you might not like this. Maybe it's a bit overpowering. I felt like that in the beginning, but to me it smells like a spa treatment, and I absolutely love that. And then I'm going to be going in with the Ordinary Caffeine Solution, and this is literally like my miracle product. I just take one drop on the tip of my ring fingers, and I just press this under my eyes, and I've really noticed a big difference in my milia, because a lot of eye creams tend to give me milia, but this actually hydrates my eyes and is actually getting rid of that milia. And then finally, as I always do, I'm wearing my Super Moisturizer. It makes me laugh because this is literally what I will always wear no matter what I'm trying. I'll still go back to this cream. It's my favorite. So good at hydrating. I love using the moisturizing one. And then I'm going in with this lip balm. Not my favorite. I bought it from Primark. It is a new range. This one is supposed to be in the aloe vera scent, but I swear it smells like watermelons or something like that, and really artificial, and I really can't stand the smell, but I'm using it up. It's okay, it hydrates enough, but it doesn't stay for long. And yeah, my skin is beautiful, and this is how I leave it, and then I just go to bed. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, share, subscribe, and I hope you guys are having a fantastic day or night. Hope you guys enjoyed this routine, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.